Hello and a very good morning to you. End of season day. My name's Lance and we've got Christian Zarnescu plus property, bg.com. Chris, first of all, thank you so much for sponsoring the show and all the season, Christian. It's been good. Hope it's been beneficial for your business, and thank you for everyone for watching. But this is probably going to be part of a compilation video. We've been to the top and there's hail coming down and it's fancy dress ski down and everything. This is the top half of Freddie Mercury here without the moustache, which will be on later. So I'm trying to get into the mood. Conditions, not the best, let's put it this way.
We are here.
But we're here.
We are the best.
We are the best. What an amazing season it has been. We've really enjoyed ourselves. We're very happy. The very last day of the season. Shame on you if you're not here.
Amazing season, great snow, and you're all amazing. Cheers! Right, this is my favourite song. Can you play my other favourite song after it?